6 houses opened their doors this weekend across South Florida, and the numbers behind each one tell a completely different story. A seller who just cut prices and moved fast. Another house that hit the market with a totally clean slate. Somewhere in the middle, a community that hides a genuine value play. 2 listings even carry the exact same paradox, where what the calendar shows and what actually happened do not match at all. Every figure ahead comes from our own team's pull of the underlying records. Nothing borrowed and nothing rounded up. Alejandro is walking the first 2 with us.
9264 Byron Avenue in Surfside sits 5 minutes from the sand, close to the community center and the local parks. And its price history says everything about where this seller's head is right now. This particular house has traded 3 times in the last 10 years. But the pattern that matters happened in the last few months. The previous attempt to sell was finished in June after 7 weeks at $1,799,000. Less than a month later, this same house came back at $1,650,000. Yes, we know our team just walked Surfside recently, but an 8% cut in under 30 days earns this address a second look. That is not patience. That is motivation. 7505 Mutiny Avenue in North Bay Village tells a much cleaner story. No prior cancellations, no price drama, just a reimagined residence with a private pool listed fresh at $1,480,000 after closing under $1 million less than 2 years ago. That gap reflects real renovation work, not just a hopeful number. Clean, quick, and a genuine first appearance on the open house circuit in one of the fastest changing waterfront pockets in the county. We recently covered North Bay Village in the series of deep dive videos. The link is in the description. Drop your favorite of these 2 houses in the comments below. Then let's send this tour over to Andrew for the numbers side.
21020 Highland Lakes in the gated Aventura community is priced well below every other stop on this tour on a per square foot basis. Renovated top to bottom, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and asking $1,235,000, which works out to under $600 a square foot. Every comparable on this tour runs well above $1,000 a square foot. And the property tax bill on this one still sits under $14,000 a year. 2 earlier attempts on this same house barely moved the price at all before each one quietly expired. That gap between a stubborn history and a genuinely low per square foot number is exactly the kind that makes a spreadsheet want to double check itself. 2765 Brickell Court in Coconut Grove has already taken a real hit, dropping from $6,895,000 all the way down to $5,295,000. That is a 23% reduction on a private, gated residence behind its own cul-de-sac. And the house has still logged over 5 months on the market at that reduced number, with no cancellation and no relisting trick behind it. Even a serious price cut moves at its own pace in the ultra-luxury tier. Subscribe to this channel for the numbers behind every open house before the sign even goes up. Vladimir, take these last 2. They are the strangest pair on this entire tour.
1805 Keystone Boulevard sits on true waterfront lot in the Keystone Islands, with direct ocean access, no fixed bridges, and a boat lift already installed at the dock. The listing shows 114 days on market, but the full history under this same owner goes back nearly 2 years, through a canceled attempt, an expired attempt, and a 7-month stretch with no listing at all. Here is the strange part. After failing to sell at $2,650,000, this home came back asking $2,750,000, higher than the number that did not work the first time. Most sellers cut price after a failed run. This one raised it, and that reversal is worth sitting with before dismissing it as just another waterfront listing. 784 Northeast 71st Street in the Baywood pocket east of Biscayne Boulevard shows 4 days on market, and on paper that reads brand new. The real timeline says otherwise. This exact listing was canceled and brought right back 4 days later at the identical $1,150,000. Same price, same house, same seller, just a freshly reset clock. The prior owner closed this property under $950,000 only 2 years earlier, so the ask has already climbed a fair amount before a single new buyer walked through the door. 6 houses, 6 different stories, and every single number traces back to source data our team pulled ourselves. If any of these 6 raised a question in your mind, reach out to our team directly, and we will walk through the full history together, house by house, folio by folio. As we mentioned, every one of these communities already has its own deep dive series waiting on this channel, so tonight's 6 stops are only the surface. Check the channel for those episodes, and if that subscribe button is nearby, new market breakdowns land on a regular schedule. Our team is licensed in both Florida and California, so wherever this data leads, Big Data Realty is one call away. Big Data Realty. We run the numbers, you make the call.